Hello class 10. In our last class we have started chapter 5, user defined function. In last class we have discussed what is a function or module or what is a method and what are the advantages of method. Then we started about how to define a method and components of a method, in which already we have discussed that what is a function's header, which is also called function prototype or method prototype. Then we discuss about the method signature. A method signature is written by using the method name along with the parameters to be passed. Then we have also discussed about the access sphere. It is a scope. It deals with the scope of usage of function. It can be either public, private or protected. In details already have discussed. Then we discuss the return statement. It is the data type used before the method name. Like here, see here, int. That is, int is the return data type. Means what type of value a function will return, that is declared by the data type, return data type. Now today we are going to start the function name. What is a function name? See, each method includes a name with which it is identified. Let's see, the function name should preferably be related to the process. We should prefer that a function name must be meaningful to the function's body. Like if the function's body is finding the sum or addition, then we can keep here name add or sum. Okay. So what is here? See in our this example, int sum parameter list is int a comma int b. Yes, sum is the function name. All right. So public int sum int a int b. The sum is the name of the function. The next is what is a parameter list? It is a list of variables with their respective data types. They receive the values passed during method call for internal computation. See the syntax. First we write the access sphere like public, then we write the return type like int, then we write the function name like sum, and in this bracket we give the parameter list like we have here 2 int a comma int b. Int a comma int b. These are the parameter list. So the function's body will use these two variable as input or passing the value during method call. Okay. The next components of a method is parameter list. Method block. The next is method block. So what is method block? The function's body contains a set of statements which are to be executed. Okay. So these statements written under method header are enclosed within a pair of curly braces. Within a pair of what braces? Curly braces. And inside the inside the pair of braces, we write the statements to be executed. So the function body contains a set of statements which are to be executed. These statements written under method header are enclosed within a pair of curly braces, and it is also known as the method block or the body of the method. Let's see this curly braces. Int s equal to a plus b, finding the sum, return s. So these two lines are method block or body of the method. So till now we have discussed about the header of the method or function prototype or method prototype, then method signature, access sphere, return type, function name, parameter list, and method block. Next is return statement. This R will be small. A statement that sends back the value. The value means the result of the method, the outcome of the method from a method to its caller program, from where the method is called, is known as return statement. In this return, R is a keyword, it will be a small letter. Okay. It is used at the end of a function. See, this must be the last statement of a function's body, because after the return statement, if any statement is written, then that statement will not be executed. because it will send the control back to the caller program. That's why the statements written after return will not be executed. So it is used at the end of a function and can also be referred to as a function terminator. It is also called function terminator. So once again, what is a return statement? A statement that sends back the value, result or outcome from a method to its caller program is known as return statement. And where it is used? It is used at the end of a function. See here, this is a function's body. The last statement is return statement. Okay. Now the next is what are the features of return statement? What are the features of return statement? First feature, it is always used at the end of the method. That is that exit point of the method. It is used at the last. It is used as the last statement of the method. After the return statement, there will be no statement in its body. Second, no statement in the method block will be executed after the return statement. As I told you, after the return statement, if there is any statement in the method block, that will not be executed. Let's see this method block. Int s for sum equal to 0, p equal to 0. S equal to a plus b. Return s. So the value of s is returned back. But after this return, p equal to a minus b is there. So this line will not execute. It does not get executed because from here only control will be sent back to the caller program. Okay. So no statement in the method block will be executed after the return statement. Third, return statement can only return a single value at a time. See, by using the system or println, we can print more than one value. But by using the return statement, we can return only a single value from a method to its caller. For example, int s equal to 0, p equal to 0, s equal to a plus b, p equal to a minus b, return s minus p. It is logical, it is wrong, it is incorrect. Because in the syntax of the return statement, what I have taught you, that it returns only one value. So here how many values are given? 2, s comma p. So this is incorrect, it is wrong. Fourth feature, a function may have more than one termination points. A number of return statements may be included to terminate the method from different points. But at a time, only one will be executed, not the both. For example, if a greater than b, if the value of a is greater than b, the return a, this return a will be executed. If a is not greater than b, then else part, that is return b, will be executed. If the value of a is greater than b, then what value will be returned? A will be returned. If the value of a is not greater than b, then what will be returned? B will be returned. Okay. Next one. In case multiple return statements are implied in a method, you know that only one can be used in one method, that is the last line. But then also if you give more than one return statement in one method's block, then only one of them will be executed to return the control. Let's see this example. Int s equal to 0, p equal to 0, s equal to a plus b, p equal to a minus b, return s, return p. So we have two return statements. Only the first return statement will be executed because control cannot come to the next line. It will be returned back from here only to the caller program. So these are the features of return statement. And once the control exits from the method's body of the method, it cannot reappear into the method block. It can't reappear in the method block. So this is the these are the features. These are the features of return statements. So please learn these features. So today's class this much only. In today's class we have learned the features of computer, components of methods. So write and learn these definitions. Thank you.